This is an Ellis Mowers and More product review. Interested in buying this product? The link is in the description below. Have a product inquiry or a home, garden, or automotive product or tool to review? Email me, ellis@ellismowers.com, or reach out on Instagram and Facebook at Ellis Mowers and More. And as always, like and subscribe for more product reviews and small engine content. On today's product review, we're going to be doing this TaoTazon surface cleaner for pressure washers. It's a 16.5 inch, 4,000 PSI maximum pressure washer surface cleaner. These things work excellent on concrete, any horizontal surface. This thing comes with wheels. It does have a little bit of assembly required. What we're going to do is go ahead and put it all together here before we go out and test it. And we'll test this thing out. Again, its maximum pressure is 4,000 PSI at 4 gallons per minute. It needs at least 1,250 PSI at 2 gallons per minute to work properly as well. So that's your threshold. You have a 16.5 inch wide area that it will clean at one time. You got the wheels and everything. So we'll put this thing together. It comes with your wheels. Also comes with a couple of wrenches that you need, so it's kind of all in one together. Everything you need is in this box and in this packaging right here. Your assembly instructions are on right over there as well, and the operator's manual. So let's do it. So there it is, guys. You can see it rolls around nice and easy. In this bag, the extra items that they give you are some O-rings for like if you need to, I guess, take off any of this or take off any of those nozzles underneath. Speaking of nozzles, there's a few extra right there just in case you need them. The little rods to clean the nozzles out with, and a little bit of extra hardware, nothing crazy. The only thing different is I use this impact driver to get those nuts in for the wheels, just to expedite the process. But you can see, rolls around pretty nice. So what we're gonna do is go out here, hook it up to the pressure washer, and clean some concrete. So to start off here, what we're going to do with this surface cleaner is we're going to wash everything on this side of my little line here on the concrete pad. We're also going to wash this area back here behind the sidewalk here. So let me put y'all on time lapse. I will get everything hooked up with the pressure washer and we will clean some concrete next. And here's the after on this. I had another one to test, so I did that on that side, which is why you see that clean as well. But either way, I mean, look how good it looks. You just got to go over it pretty evenly and relatively slow. The only thing I noticed is that sometimes those wheels would get caught up trying to change direction and stuff. But you can see that you've got a lot cleaner. I can show you what I was dealing with originally here. And that was this. So crazy difference, right? And you know, just a few minutes, maybe 10 minutes doing this area as well as this area right here. The only thing you can't really get very well is the corners, and I have a bunch of corners in my area sidewalk here because of these walls and stuff. But you can just, you know, take your regular wand and go along that if you need to. I did spray with the regular hose just to get some of that. That's just loose dirt, so it got all that up. And you can see that we started off, it's still a little damp right here, but we started off looking like that because I forgot that little area, and we ended up looking like this. So that is a huge difference. And like I said, apart from it getting caught up in the wheels a little bit when changing direction, especially when going backwards and forwards, now if you're kind of going side to side or kind of around, it was better. But those, you know, 180 degree transitions was where it had the most difficulty. But you can see it didn't really leave any streaks. This is from a previous wash. When you have a good pressure washer pump and stuff, it didn't leave any streaks, so that's awesome. It looks so much better here. I've been meaning to do that for years. This is caked on dirt and grime for years and years and years, probably a good 3 or 4 years. You can see the remnants of it there. You can see what it looks like now. So much better. Alright guys, so that wraps up this TaoTazon surface cleaner here, the 16.5 inch 4000 PSI. Y'all saw it worked on the driveway excellent. The only things I've noticed are, number one, that these wheels aren't the best. They work pretty well, but sometimes they get caught up in certain situations and where it's trying to move. It wasn't too much of a nuisance. It wasn't really a nuisance at all until I got to that one little swath of sidewalk right there where it was kind of tight. It is worth noting. One other note, I also noticed that it takes a few seconds for it to spool up, but once you get it going, that thing is going to town, just like y'all saw on the driveway. It cleaned it really well, which I was really happy with. So thank you all again for watching us, and hope y'all enjoyed this product review. Y'all take care, and I'll catch you on the next video.